What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy technoboy, and that's the Logitech Z5500 control pod. And you have seen in a previous video that I have installed a Bluetooth chip inside of it. So now this thing became the Bluetooth 5.1 Dolby home theater. So now I don't need to connect anywhere to PC or mobile or any other source. I just simply can connect my mobile phone to that one's Bluetooth and can simply enjoy the music. First of all, let me turn this on and set this thing up. As you can see, that's input is stereo 2, which is connected to PC, the stereo 2, and stereo 3, this one is connected to the Bluetooth chip. So now let me set all the volumes and all. Alright, so setup is done, and let's increase the volume a bit. Now from here, let's connect the Bluetooth. That's the one, 3.0 BT. There was a little bit of noise that connected, so hope you heard it. So anyway, here you can see connected to media audio. And now let's check some songs, how it sounds.
That's the best part.
So as you can hear, the sound is very good. You can say crystal clear sound, and all the effects are there, the Dolby effects and all, if I play some movies and all, anything like that. So but the point is, the gain is a little bit lower than the other inputs and all. So that's the only negative point. As you can see, the volume is too high, but except that, everything else is very fine. And I've installed the Bluetooth chip right behind this part, as this is a transparent part, because the remote control sensor is right there. So Bluetooth is right beside that sensor right there, so it's easy to get the signal, Bluetooth signal. So that's why I install it here inside. So now check some more sounds.
technoboy.